Hello, friends. Welcome back to Story by Caring Guy. Today, we will read a story about the price of greed. One day, Miss Maria, a poor cleaning lady, went to see her boss, Jack. She wanted to thank him for the $1,000 he had given her a few days ago. That money had helped her with her daughter's wedding expenses. Jack was very rich, but he was also very kind. He was always generous to everyone, especially to his employees. He gave them raises and bonuses and even paid for some of their children's education. He also gave money to charities and donated to churches. He believed that it was important to help those in need. When Miss Maria told him that she wanted to thank him for the $1,000, Jack was surprised because he didn't remember giving her any money. He asked her when and how she needed it, and she told him that she needed it for her daughter's wedding. Jack felt bad because he had forgotten about it. He apologized to her and promised to make it up to her. He said that he would give her whatever she needed to make sure that her daughter's wedding was beautiful. Miss Maria was touched by his kindness, but she told him that he didn't have to do anything. She said that she understood that he was busy and that he had a lot of things to think about. She said that she didn't want to bother him or cause him any stress. After Miss Maria left, Jack went to see his manager, Max. He asked him if he had given Miss Maria any money recently, and Max said yes. He said that he had given her $10,000 because Jack had asked him to do so. Jack was shocked. He couldn't believe that Max had taken so much money from him without his permission. He asked Max why he had done it, and Max said that he didn't know. He said that he had just seen an opportunity to steal from his boss and he couldn't resist it. He said that he was sorry and that he would never do it again. But Jack was furious. He fired Max on the spot and he told him to never set foot in his company again. Then he went to see Helen, who was Max's assistant. He asked her if she knew anything about what Max had done, and Helen said yes. She said that she had helped Max steal the money and she was sorry. She said that she was under a lot of pressure and that she felt like she had to do what Max said. She said that she was sorry and that she would never do it again. But Jack was not buying it. He knew that Helen was just trying to save herself. He knew that she was as guilty as Max, and he fired her too. Then he went to see Miss Maria again. He wanted to ask her if she had gotten the $10,000 and if she knew what had happened. Miss Maria was very surprised to see Jack again. She thought that he was just being nice. She said that she had gotten the $1,000 and that she didn't know anything else. She said that she was very grateful for the money and that she would never forget it. But Jack wasn't convinced. He asked her again if she had gotten the full amount and if she knew what had happened to the rest. Miss Maria said yes. She had gotten the full amount and she didn't know what had happened to the rest. Then Jack went back to his office and he called the police. He told them what had happened and he gave them all the details. The police came and they arrested Max and Helen. They took them away in handcuffs and they also confiscated their assets. After the police left, Jack went back to Miss Maria. After Miss Maria left, Jack made a public statement. He told everyone what had happened and he explained why he had fired Max and Helen. He said that their greed and dishonesty had hurt not only him, but also Miss Maria and their families. He said that it was sad that there were people like this in the world, and that it was important to speak out against them. He said that he hoped that this would be a lesson for everyone, and that they would remember that honesty and integrity were the most important things in life.